Spine remain uplifted. Eyes gently closed. Just with the freedom of your breathing. Let the breath flow naturally. Inhalation makes you energy. During the exhalation, body becomes so relaxed. Inhalation makes you totally alert. Exhalation makes you solidly stable. Witness this beautiful flow of your respiration. Breath is remain effortless, but keep witnessing the flow. Slowly draw your hands in front of your chest, palm gently pressing each other. Whoever comfortable, join us for lead and follow passion of Shanti mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu.
Sahana Vavatu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahaviryam Karavavahai.
Sahaviryam Karavavahai.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Tejasvinavaditamastu.
Ma vidvishavahai.
Ma vidvishavahai.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Slowly release your hands. Gradually bend front. Exhale and bend front. Inhale and slowly come up. Release your hands. With few gentle blinks of your eyes. And slowly stretch your legs straight ahead. And give light movements to your toes. Give light movements to your toes and softly roll your ankle clockwise. And anti-clockwise. And slowly come to standing. Little more. I hope guys you can still see me. Okay. That's good. Okay. And we start with few movements of vinyasa first. And the first one is Ardha Vinyasa, the Purna Vinyasa, then few rounds with Vinyasa with the different asanas. Okay, just to work with that. And many of you are familiar with it. I'm not going to the classical work today. I'm just to make a little contemporary movements today, just to prepare for it. Okay, slowly bring your legs together, Tadasana there. And softly raise your hands smoothly up there. Extend it tall, slightly look up. Exhale and smoothly bend front, as possible. Softly inhale and lift the head. Concave your back. Exhale and go back to Dvipada or Chaturanga there. Inhale and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and Adho Mukha Svanasana. Share the weight equally on both legs. Breathe smooth and breathe long. Mild contraction on the pelvic floor. Mild contraction on the pelvic floor. And breathe long and deep few times. Now slowly inhale and come up. Exhale and maximum bend front. Inhale and slowly back to Tadasana. And next asana we do with vinyasa is Utkatasana. Inhale and smoothly raise. Extend your sides, palms gently pressing each other. Exhale and smoothly bend front. Pull the belly, maximum bend front. Smoothly inhale and lift the head, concave your back. Chatwari. Exhale, both legs back, body straight like a Chaturanga. Inhale and Urdhva Mukha. Exhale and Adho Mukha. The next inhalation comes to Utkatasana. Palm gently pressing each other. Slightly look up to your thumb. The feet is firm. A light contraction on the pelvic floor. Breathe smooth, breathe long, breathe mindful. Breathe smooth, breathe long, breathe mindful. Few long and deep breaths there. Utkatasana. Stay there. Breathe longest possible, but firm in your feet. Lengthen the spine. I know it looks so simple, but it works beautifully. See your quadriceps, calf muscles, the back muscle reaction during your exhalation. That's beautiful. Keep breathing. Just for a few seconds. Just breathing. Beautiful, beautiful. So slowly go down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Smoothly inhale and come up to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Softly get into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and come to Uttanasana. Exhale and Padahasta. Slowly back to Samastiti. Now we will do few more variation in Vinyasa now. The right and left balance right now. Inhale and raise your hands straight up. Get a good extension. Exhale and bend front. Maximum bend front. Inhale and lift the head and concave your back. Exhale and smoothly go to Chaturanga. Inhale and go to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale and get into Adho Mukha. Now make your feet into V shape. Make sure the feet is firm here. A good grip in your feet. Then smoothly bring your right foot next to right hand. Do not disturb your left leg. The right shin 90 degree. Push the hip as low as you can. Raise your hand straight up. To Virabhadrasana 8. Just a few seconds. Be there. Few seconds. Virabhadrasana 8. Smooth and long breathing there. Each inhalation, lengthen your spine. But both legs remain carrying equal weight. Light contraction on the pelvic floor. And breathing majorly happens on your chest and clavicular. But don't force it. Playfully try as long as you can. Breathe longer and deeper. Any moment if you're difficult, slowly go back. That's beautiful. So smoothly open your chest and slightly turn the left toes out to the parallel and open your chest to Virabhadrasana B. Just a few long and smooth breathing here. Weight equally shared. A light contraction in the pelvic floor. Spine remain uplifted. Breathe long, breathe deep. Experience every single breath and breath reaction. The weight equally shared. Remain on your both legs. Slowly get into Ardha Chandrasana. Softly take your left hand on your waist. Left hand on your waist. All the way take your right hand away from the body and smoothly raise your left leg up. And open your chest. Open your chest. Ardha Chandrasana. Just a few seconds. Please don't force. Only if you're comfortable, just be there. Otherwise, just go back and do Virabhadrasana B. Just a few seconds. Ardha Chandrasana. Few smooth and long breaths there.
So slowly rolling to Virabhadrasana C. Square the hip. Softly stretch your hands straight ahead. Light contraction on the pelvic floor. Just a few breaths. Just a few smooth and long breaths. If necessary, bend the knee, but lengthen the sides. But no stress on the neck or shoulder. Smoothly take your hands down and walk back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Smoothly get into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Roll the shoulder, expand the chest, light contraction in the pelvic floor. You smooth and long breathing. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Elbow soft, chest expanded, as smoothest possible. Softly drop the knee, push the hips and pull the belly. Extend your trunk, lengthen your spine. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Slowly make your feet into V shape again. Bring your left foot next to your left hand. With a good distance, push the hip. Push the hip. Raise your arms. Extend your trunk. Palm gently pressing each other. The Virabhadrasana A. Just few smooth and long breaths there. Few smooth and long breaths. Don't fight, don't force. Try to smoothen the breath. Smooth and long breath. Keep working there. So slowly open your chest, open your hips to Virabhadrasana B. A little readjust your right foot now. If comfortable, look your left middle finger. Push the hip, lift the spine. Light contraction on the pelvic floor. Breathe smooth, breathe long. Experience the every single breath reaction from the body. The belly actively pulled in. Spine remain well lifted. The distance not changed. You smoothly take your right hand on your waist, all the way take your left hand away from your left toes. Smoothly raise your right leg. To Ardha Chandrasana. Hip open, chest open. Just few soft and long breaths here. You smooth and long breath there. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep breathing. So slowly, smoothly roll in and set your hands to Virabhadrasana C. An extended trunk. Arm gently press each other. And the lengthen your trunk. Light contraction on the pelvic floor. Pull the belly. Breathing happens on your chest and clavicular. If you can, gently touch your palms each other. Gently touch your palms each other if you can. Slowly rolling, all the way go back to Virabhadrasana, sorry, Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Weight between palms and feet equally shared. So slowly bring your feet into V shape. Once again, bring your feet into V shape. Parshvottanasana. Bring your right foot next to your right hand. Right foot next to the right hand. The weight equally shared on both legs. Keep a good distance between your legs. The hip remains stays squarely. Pull the belly. See how much weight shares between front and back. If there is a lot of weight in the front, slightly pull the belly and push the weight back to the back leg with the support of the hands. If not necessary that, you can also take your hands on the waist or just behind your back. But make sure you are not fighting here. Make sure the weight is not going on the outer ankle or outer knee. The breath smoothest possible, lengthest possible. So slowly, smoothly take your left hand close to your right foot. If possible, just outside your right foot. And raise your right hand up. Parivrata Trikonasana. The weight remain equal on both legs. Belly pulled in. In case you just had your lunch, please don't pull the belly. Just rotate your waist as much as you can. Make sure the weight remain equal on both legs. There's a good rotation on the waist, a good expansion on your chest. Breath remains stays smooth and long. Now it still feels good, smoothly rolling. Bend your right knee. Push the hip. Parivrata Parshokonasana. In case you're comfortable, hook your armpit down here. Otherwise, bend your back knee. If you're not comfortable, bend your back knee. If you're comfortable, keep your back knee straight also. And hook it, twist it. If comfortable, you can stretch it also, which is within your comfortable limit. But make sure you're not fighting. Make sure you play with your practice. Parivrata Parshokonasana. Abdomen actively pulled in. Breath happens on your chest and clavicular. Weight remain equal on both legs. Breathe. Few smooth and long breaths there. And slowly release your hands. Just bend. Okay, we'll just have a little play here. Okay, just hook both arms down the thigh. Take both palms, flatten the floor. I hope you can see, guys. Okay, bending both closer, then smoothly leaning front into counting Vinyasana. Only if you're comfortable, please don't force. The International Yoga Day, just playing a little bit, that's all. But not fighting. Just don't fight, please play with your practice. That's beautiful. Few smooth and long breaths. Slowly come back. Now slowly get into Chaturanga Dandasana. Stay there for a few smooth and long breaths. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Elbow soft, roll the shoulder,
Expand the chest. Light contraction in the perineum, but no stress on the neck. Slowly bend the knee. Raise the hips to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe smooth, breathe long, lengthen your spine. Make sure a good share of the weight between hands and your legs. Slowly make your feet again into V shape. With a good grip, bring your left foot next to your left hand. Square your hip. Share equal weight. Breathe. If anyone comfortable, you can also take your hands behind your back. But make sure the weight is remain equally shared. Weight is remain equally shared. Now slowly lift the head. Take your right hand next to the left foot. Pull the belly. Turn your chest. And get a good rotation on the waist. Raise the left hand up. Parivratta Trikonasana. Feel and rotate. It's really good rotation on the waist. A light contraction in the pelvic floor. During every inhalation, lengthen the spine. Exhalation, rotate further. But there should be a very good grip in your feet. Good grip in your feet, which is holds you centered. The expansion of the chest releases all the tension around shoulder and shoulder blades. Make sure you breathe soft, breathe long, breathe mindfully. Now slowly release your hands, bend your left knee. Hook your right armpit all the way down to the right thigh. Sorry, left thigh. If comfortable, take your right hand next to the left foot. If not, just hook it. Just hook it and twist it as far as comfortably you can. You don't fight with that. Get a good twist and a beautiful rotation. Belly be actively pulled in. Breathing majorly happens on your chest and clavicular. A good grip on the feet. Smooth and long breathing. So slowly release your hand. And you can bend back knee down on the floor. Hook both armpit down the thighs. Bend both elbows. Both palms firmly on the floor. Smoothly lean towards your front. And gradually lean front. Simultaneously both legs comes off the floor. Kaundinyasana. Smooth and long breathing there. Beautiful. Keep breathing.
few breaths. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Release your hands. Softly get into Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Get in a good extension, elbows out, roll the shoulder. Softly raise to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. An extended trunk. A lengthy spine. Weight between hands and legs equally shared. Belly actively pulled in. Slowly cross your right ankle. Right ankle. So your right foot cross there and bring your left foot on the foot or the right ankle. And lean on your right side for Vasishthasana. If comfortable, you can also raise your right hand, left hand straight up. The body becomes straight like a stick. Just a few breaths. Slightly look up to your left thumb. Just a few breaths. It's important to be holding from the heel to head straight like a stick. You smooth and long breathing there. Slowly roll it. To Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Extend your trunk. Weight between the hands and legs equally shared. Belly pulled in. Breath goes smooth as well as deep. Slowly lean on to your left side now. For Vasishthasana. Just a few breaths. Just a few breaths. Please don't force. In case you have shoulder issues, wrist issues, neck issues, take it much easier. Just play with your practice. Don't fight. Few soft and long breaths, that's all. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. Slowly rolling back to Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Elbows soft, roll the shoulder, chest expanded. Adho Mukha. Slowly come front. Whoever comfortable, slowly get into Shirshasana, the head stand. In case you are not comfortable, please work on your Matsya Krida or you just rest in Shashankasana. Whoever comfortable, just go to Shirshasana, the head stand. Just few breaths. Make sure no pressure on your neck. A light contraction in the pelvic floor. Just for a few seconds. Just for a few seconds. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. That's beautiful. Slowly come back to Shashankasana. Slowly, step by step, come back. Rest in Shashankasana for a few seconds. Slowly back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Shvanasana. Adho Mukha Shvanasana. And slowly get into Chakrasana, also called as Urdhva Dhanurasana. Just roll up. Step by step get into Chakrasana or Urdhva Dhanurasana there. Few breaths. Smooth and long, few breathings there. Slowly bring the crown of the head on the floor. Take a hand, one more step inside. Slowly bring your hands more close to your heels. Just few breaths. Don't force it. Work within your comfortable limit. Breathe. Now slowly bring the crown of the head again also on the floor. Take a hand, one more step inside. One more step close inside, close to your feet. This is the last one now we are going to hold in Chakrasana today. Just few seconds. Breathe. Smooth, breathe long. That's beautiful. Slowly, step by step, go down. Roll into Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Paschimottanasana. Slowly come front. Stretch your legs front. To Paschimottanasana. Keep breathing. Each exhalation goes little by little more further front. But don't force. Slowly get into Chaturanga Dandasana. Get into Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Sarvangasana. Just few breaths. Keep breathing. Urdhva Padmasana.
If you're not comfortable, just go to Halasana. Slowly get into Pindasana. If you're not comfortable, go to Karnapilasana. Slowly release your spine. Utibra, Udibra. To Matsyasana, the fish. Just few breaths. Smooth and long breaths. No stress in the neck or head. Uttana Padasana. Smoothly stretch your legs around 45 degrees and hands parallel to your thighs. Release your hands. With the hands upward, release your legs. Then your head. Just relax in Shavasana. Let the whole body rest. Any uncomfortable, readjust it. Completely relax. The entire body, let it go. The entire body responds to every breath. You slowly draw your attention on your heartbeat. Sincerely watch your heartbeats. See how harmonious it is. Then gradually draw your attention around your navel. Just watch. During the inhalation, navel raises up naturally. During the exhalation, navel drops. Navel raises up. Navel drops. Just witness that. You inhale deeply. When exhaling, chant O and Ma combination. It's a beautiful vibration. Slowly bring your legs together.
Raise your right hand over your head. Left palm on your stomach. Pull your left leg from your knee. Smoothly turn to your right. Just be there for a few seconds. With the breathing for a few seconds there. Slowly roll in and come to seated position. Come to seated position. With beautiful quietness. With this quietness. Slowly draw your hands